Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate client intake with Typeform, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Typeform website and signing into your account. Once logged in, click on the Create a Typeform button to start a new project. Choose a template or select a Start from Scratch option based on your needs. For a client intake form, consider using questions such as name, email, phone number, and service requirements. To add your first question, click on Add your first question. Select the type of question you want to include, such as short text for names or email for email address. Customize each question by clicking on it and entering your preferred text. To make certain questions mandatory, toggle on the required option. Continue adding questions, building your client intake form step by step. You can reorganize questions by dragging and dropping them into the preferred order. Once you finish adding questions, click on the Design tab to customize the form's appearance. Choose a theme, colors, and fonts that reflect your brand's identity. After customizing, navigate to the Settings tab to adjust form options like notifications and integrations. Set up email notifications to receive responses directly to your inbox. You can also integrate with tools like Google Sheets or CRMs for streamlined data management. Once everything looks good, click on the Share button to get your form's unique link. You can also embed the form on your website using the provided HTML code. Test the form yourself to ensure all fields work as expected. After testing, share the Typeform link with your clients via email or social media. Monitor responses in real time, accessible through your Typeform dashboard. Review the data collected to streamline your client intake process efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.